Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your accounts and the playlist you want to move. Sign into Apple Music and Spotify so the transfer tool can access both libraries. This avoids mismatches. Once done, open Soundias or SongShift and grant read-only access to Apple Music, then select the playlist and export its metadata if prompted. Make sure to include track, artist, album fields so matches are accurate. This step sets up everything the transfer service needs to map songs correctly. Now you perform the mapping. Let the tool auto-match Apple Music tracks to Spotify catalog entries and then inspect any low confidence or unmatched items. You should manually select correct versions for covers, live recordings, or remasters because mismatches are common. If a track isn't in Spotify, choose an alternate or mark it to skip. For big playlists, work in batches to avoid timeouts. Once you finish mapping, confirm the destination, playlist name, and settings before finish by executing the transfer and then open Spotify to verify the new playlist contains expected tracks. If some songs are missing, rerun the matching step for those specific tracks or manually add them by searching Spotify. Make sure to reauthorize the transfer app if you see authentication errors. Token expiry causes silent failures. If region or licensing restrictions prevent matches, swap to alternate versions or source files you own. Finally, tidy up duplicates and delete any temporary playlists created during testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.